we're on our way to Derby.
Derby, I thought it was Dewsbury.
No, Dewsbury's West Yorkshire and Derby's in Derbyshire.
Yeah. We're just going to look at a car.
Peter's going to buy an RS Ford car.
Well, thinking about it, it'll definitely be my last car. Bloody hell, we could have pulled up there. I don't want to piss her out, like, but...
No, welcome break, yeah. No, I'm alright. We've only got 40 mile to go, but
yeah, it's a ride out, you know.
So that's where we're going. Are we on? We're on the M1 at the moment, aren't we?
I think so, yeah. The stupid woman's telling me where to go all the time.
Yeah, well, I had Brian Blessed telling me where to go with my sat nav.
But you know, they're all right, like, but I knew where I was going. And
he used to say, "Go round the roundabout."
Yeah.
The roundabout.
They're handy, but you can just put them on when you get more or less get there to get through the town and the cities or wherever.
Yeah. Yeah, we've stopped at a motorway service place, and Pete's just having a fag. And then we're going to go to this garage to look at this new car. I'm trying to talk him out of it because it's very dear. So anyway, we'll see what happens.
So then, when I open it,
yes, we're
just place your hand there. Brilliant.
We're here at Derby now, and Pete's looking at this. Pete's looking at this car.
It should have been in the sun.
So he hasn't decided whether he's going to buy it yet or not. So
I'm buying it for sure. Go over to that ST, that orange one, look. Cheryl had one of them 10 years ago. Right? 56, mine was 55. So, 10 years later, I know she's not here, but she'll be looking down on me.
She'll be definitely
looking
down
on me. And what does he say?
She'll be saying, what, spending all that money on this?
This says a 66.
Yeah.
66.
Yeah.
So there you go.
But that's not going to be Pete's number plate. He has his own personal.
Well, they're going to do it for me now.
Yeah. But I don't know whether should we say how much this is costing or not. No, we won't.
You can do.
No, it's a few thou.
It's definitely a few thou.
So he's had a ride in it, and we had a ride in a hedge, another one. But he wants this one, so.
No, the other one was 2 watts.
So he's going to have this one, he thinks. Peter had a look at this car as well. He's had a test drive in it, but he's not been happy with it. He likes the blue one better. So
it's a lovely big car, but it's too big for me.
Yeah. It's only big for its size.
Yes.
Yeah,
when I go back.
We're in the Merlin now, the Hungry Horse at Derby. We've just come down Brian Clough Way, and it was nice of them to name a road after him. And just over the road there is the Velodrome and Pride Park Derby Football Club, where I think Burnley won last year.
Yeah.
In the 23 games undefeated in the Championship last year. But now they don't win away from home now in the Premiership. Never mind. Anyway, we're waiting for our pensioners special.
We're going to have garlic mushrooms.
We're having pensioners special, $4.99 for 2 courses.
I've had out since me Weetabix this morning. I've just sorted some money out to buy that blue car.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I'm doing the right thing.
He's bought a boy racer car, but I've tried to talk him out of it, but he takes no notice of me.
Well, I did go out in that big ugly looking thing, and I thought, and he said it'll depreciate like a stone, so...
Yeah, I hope that's not Diet Coke you've got with aspartame in it.
Well, I don't know. Want someone else?
We're in we're in the Hungry Horse Merlin pub. We're waiting for our food coming.
Yeah, but these places take a long time.
Yeah, well, we're in Nori.
I don't want to get back by midnight.
No.
Hey, actually, Travelodge if we get stuck.
Hooray for Hartlepool.
What we should have done is bring a toothbrush and a bit of soap or something for later on.
Is there a pub round there we can
Then we could have come back up to this pub later on.
Yeah. Roger day. Yeah, we've had our starter, which was mushroom garlic. Now we've got cottage pie, a pensioner's special meal.
Yeah,
but it's too hot. It's too hot at the moment, so I'm letting it cool a bit. And then Peter's going to pick his new boy racer car up.
Yeah. And have a bad back all the way home.
And hit his hip as getting out the bucket seat.
Yeah, he's going to have to lift me out when we get outside my house. I could do with a Panadol actually before I get in it really.
Yeah. Anyway, he knows what he's doing, so that's it.
That's all you can do.
Yeah.
I can almost...
Although we might end up going home with a powder blue transit courier van yet.
Actually,
which
I
he
quite like that van, you know.
I know. And it's only 13,000. And he'd get money back. And a nice brand new van, powder coloured van.
I better get £5,000 what I wouldn't have to pay. And then sell my car privately.
And it'd be bloody handy for his window cleaning round and all that he does.
Yeah, when I get hard up.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so... I don't know.
He calls it... His window cleaning firm's called Happy Optics.
Said you're right.
Yeah, we've come out the pub now. We're just going back to the garage. There's the cycle velodrome.
I was wondering what a velodrome was.
And that's the Pride Park, Derby County's ground. And there's the garage over there. What's it called? T what?
Is it TC Harris?
Oh, TC Harrison's. Yeah. 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 So if you ever want to buy a car that's very dear, go there. Yeah, Pete's just doing the final agreements for his car. So once we get sorted, we can get our way.
There's not many of them around.
Many of what out? Yeah. Oh, you better give me on that then.
Yeah, I want you with me down.
Well, it looks as all business is done. We're on our way
Yes, we're not doing so bad. I'll put the window down. Wait, I'm Jeffrey. This seat's not quite right.
Have you got your belt on?
No, I haven't got.
You have to put your window down and put your thumb up so I can mind that curb.
Wait a minute.
Every egg a bird, Tom White.
Ah, it's half full with Joe's.
To you, mind that curb. Yeah. Put your thumb up.
Put me on the Facebook site, alright.
You've got to put your thumb up.
Thanks for that.
Thank you, mate. See you soon.
Ta. Hang on a minute. Where are we here?
Up here. Yes, we're going out in this new car now, this blue car. Oh heck! Fucking hell! Don't fucking smash it before we get it home.
I want to adjust the fucking seat in this gate.
Well, you'll have to pull up a bit and...
There's one, look.
I know. Fucking hell. Ooh, it's a hard ride in these fucking
Yeah,
sport
but we'll
cars.
have to say what it's on, you say.
Yeah. Yeah, Pete's arrived at my house and he's just having a fix.
Disappointed that my car wasn't on the video.
We've just checked the TC Harrison Facebook page. They said they were going to put him on there, but they haven't done.
No, the twats haven't.
And the people that were there are there on it.
Yes.
It could have been because I was flicking V's as we were going out.
Well, yes.
They maybe didn't use the photograph.
They're not
see.
used to people like us down
No.
that way, I don't think.
So that's Pete's new car. And there's a little pussycat on top of that.
Yes.
Top of the fence there.
It is better than a white car, like, innit?
Well, white cars show the muck, you see. Like mine, I reckon the best one for not showing the muck is the grey one, like mine, see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does show the bird shit more though.
That's a
the
sang
trouble.
one.
That's the trouble.
You should have got that little van.
So,
Tell you what, I might put that in and get that van and get some
I'll
money
tell
back.
you what, I've been looking at vans on
And when I get
second-hand
hard up,
ones. Yeah.
I'll put that in and get some money back.
Yeah, what you could do, you could sell your house and live in the little van
Yes!
at Mablethorpe.
Oh, I'm not going to get hard up for money. I'm not. I've worked all my life.
Well,
I'll put that in and get some money back, won't I?
yeah, they tell you out about it, all the price, and then when you go to garage to put it in, they knock hell of a lot off. They talk out at the back of their asses, these garages.
I think they do, Jeffrey.
I know.
Anyway, I've got it now.
Look at that bloke when I says how much to put my Sanyong in for the van.
Oh, you get a
He
big
says,
shock.
oh, you'll get a big shock.
You get a big...
I says, well, don't bother making me a quote then. I says, if I'm going to get a big shock.
Well, you might have got 10 for it, surely. Huh?
They'd have probably only give us 3 for it.
Couldn't you got a loan?
And how am I going to pay loans back on my pension credit?
Yeah, but you'll be getting it on, later on, you're right.
I know.